Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Krishna here with PerspecTube, and today we are unboxing the brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is Apple's latest flagship phone and there is so much to talk about. It's bigger, it's faster, and yes, it's packing with brand new camera button. Alright, let's open this up. Peeling off this sticker is always satisfying. And let's open this up, and here you go. Wow, just look at that, and has a premium feel. Now let's see what we have got. The first is iPhone, of course. The white titanium finish is sleek, it's light, and has a premium feel. If you love minimalist and clean design, this color is going to be your favorite. Now let's see what else we have got. There is a braided USB-C cable, a nice upgrade for durability and faster charging. And look at this, we have got the SIM ejector tool. Fun fact, if you are in the US, you won't see this because the iPhone 16 is eSIM only. But here in Australia, the physical SIM are still a thing. And that's it for the box. No charger, no earbuds, just the basic. Apple's keeping things minimal as always. I didn't see the paperwork as well as the sticker over here. I don't know why. Okay, now let's have a look with our phone. The design is stunning. The titanium build makes it more lighter and more durable than ever. Okay, on the right hand side we have got the new camera button, which is one of the coolest features in iPhone 16, as well as the power button. And on the left side we have got the SIM tray as well as the volume up and volume down button, accent button. Now let's open up this one. Here you go. You can see the Apple logo as well as it will say hello. There you go. First impression of the iPhone. The design is stunning. The titanium build makes it lighter and more durable than ever. The 6.9-inch display with a thinner bezel is the biggest screen ever on iPhone, and it looks amazing. It's clean, it's modern, and it's classy. Definitely my favorite color. One of the coolest features on iPhone 16 is the newest camera button. With a single press, you can instantly launch the camera app, even if the phone is locked. It's perfect for capturing quick moments without fumbling the screen. Simple, fast, and super handy for photo and video enthusiasts. Now let's talk about the camera, because this is where the iPhone 16 truly shines. We have got a 48 megapixel main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto lens with up to 10x optical zoom. Whether you are shooting landscape, portrait, or a micro shot, the camera handles it all beautifully. For the video creators, we have got the Dolby Vision up to 4K at 120 frames per second. And even special for a future-ready viewing experience. Video recording is also next level with a 4K ProRes and ability to record directly to an external drive via USB-C. Creators, this one is for you. Under the hood, the A18 Pro chip delivers unmatched performance. With a 6-core GPU, it's perfect for gaming, editing videos, and multitasking. And battery life, you are looking at up to 33 hours of video playback, which is amazing for a device this powerful. Now here is the bummer. Apple's hype, Apple Intelligence. Their AI Power feature suite isn't even ready yet. It's coming in a future update. So if you are excited about next gen AI, you'll need to wait for a few months until next update. Not the best look Apple. Now let's talk about whether you should upgrade or not. If you are using iPhone 13 or older, this is a massive jump. The screen, the camera, performance, and the battery life make it totally worth it. But if you are coming from iPhone 14 or 15, honestly the upgrades are pretty minor. The titanium finish is cool and the camera is better, but it's not a huge leap. I would say save your money for now, unless you are a hardcore Apple fan. So what do you think of iPhone 16 Pro Max? Love it or over it? Let me know in the comment below. And if you are not already, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. And here you go. Okay. And here you go. Paper.